Very nice and well-maintained colonial house with a huge private backyard. Sit on the deck and enjoy. New roof and siding in 2019. HVAC 2018. In-law suite in the basement. Murphy bed, kitchenette, new floor, and full bath. 100K custom designer basement renovation, bonus room. Open kitchen, granite countertop, stainless steel appliances, 2 new stump-pumps/French drain. 2019. New chimney and top. 16 flights of brick replaced. New heat sealed flue. 2020. Pressure washed/refinished deck. 2020. Replace the garage door springs. 2019. ALFA closets. Professional landscaping front yard. 2019. 2020 carpet throughout the second floor. Open kitchen. Move-in ready. Total SQF of 3,300.